Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Brandit US Cooper backpack in the color 2 black. So it's a backpack, a special US backpack. Yeah, so I guess I'll get it out of the plastic wrap. Here we go. This is the first impression of the backpack, top to bottom. The contrast is a little bit better like this. Alright, let's get into the backpack. Let's start with the straps. They are well padded. We have a buckle in the middle to like tighten it up, to lift the weight on both of your shoulders and not just one if you have not a straight backpack. Then there's also a buckle here in the middle. I guess there's a way to take it off, maybe. I mean, you can cut it off, but yeah. So there's a buckle here in the middle to put the weight on your hips around your waist. And yeah, the bottom, it's like expandable. It's of course flat right now because it was shipped. Then let's go to the there's some more. Before we go to the front, there's some more padding here, and also little strap here. Not exactly sure for what, to hang it up somewhere. So yeah, let's go. In the front, this is what the front looks like. We have two bags right here. Yeah, so a tiny one on top. I'm putting that one up, and it's also expandable. It was also flattened. You have a lot of space to put something inside here, like little stuff, I guess. And then you have these lashes here. You can add on to, like, you can add more stuff. And then here we have the bigger of the two. Here you have a by the way, the zippers are amazing. I just realized now. Not sure what company they're made from, but they open really easily. And this one all the way over here. Inside this pouch you have some other tiny ones. You can put some stuff inside, like a pen would probably be ideal here. And yeah, like you have space for 4 pens or a USB stick, and one bigger one right here. Yeah, see, maybe I can see which it doesn't say a zipper company name. And yeah, you have all these straps to make it tighter or to loosen it up. So if you loosen it up, this pouch here can actually expand a lot more. So let's see if I can undo it. Here we go. Yeah, and see, already from this it opened up all the way to this. So basically, yeah, you have a lot of space. Then the sides, very quickly, you have more lashes here on the side, and also more straps to tighten it or to untighten it. Of course, now it's not tight. You can maybe put your jacket in here or an umbrella or something. Lots of space. Same on the other side, more lashes, more straps. Now let's get to the top of the backpack. You have, let me switch sides here a little bit. You have this, I mean, I would say half decent, half good quality strap on top to hold it up sturdy. And yeah, now let's see, where are the zippers. Here on the side, all the way down. Let's open it up completely. Whoop. Around here, think there is there one or two zippers? I'm a bit confused. I think there's two, yeah. Let's open up this one first. Let's get it through here. And yeah, you can, of course, because of the straps here, or the buckles, I mean, you have to open it, and then you can actually, what you can do is, if I open the buckles correctly, you can actually open it completely like this, all the way. Exactly. This is the this is where the back would go. You can open it up here. You have another, I would say it's like a, it's a little pouch. I see. Little pouch. Makes sense. And then on this side you have this compartment where you, well, can put other stuff. Maybe you can put books in here, something like this. And then I think, and I'm trying to find it now, there should be, oh, here it is. I missed that one. Here is was the where the other zippers, the rest. Let's open it up all the way around, or almost. And then you have another compartment here, maybe a tiny laptop, your iPad, and you have some more pouches. This one goes all the way down too. So yeah, there's a lot of space actually. I'm gonna change my hand again. Yeah, you have more space for, it's the same pouch almost as down there, just with bigger pouches. All right. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed me unpacking the what's it called? Brandit backpack, the US Cooper backpack large in the color 2 black. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.